Hi everyone, I hope you're doing good. My name is Jade and I'm 21 years old and currently graduating from UNSE College in the Society and Environment program. I've been in CJEP for 4 years, but I've been studying in this program for 2 years and a half, now graduating from it. In this program, most of the courses are field related to the society and its environment. For example, politics, history, anthropology, sociology, geography, as well as courses on ecology, environment, and the climate crisis. After having finished your CJEP in this program, you can then enter any program in university that contains these subjects and that are related to your dream field of career. For instance, I will enter the urbanism program in university. We also call it city planner or urban planner in English. Even if I haven't started studying in this field, I know that when you are a student in urbanism, there's a lot of laws and regulations to follow when you are working on a project. And sometimes you forget those laws and regulation and you have to go check them out again and reread about it to be sure of not infringe any of the rules. So of course you can always read your class, your notes that your teachers give you in class. But here's a site I'm going to show you where almost all of your questions can be answered. So first of all, you go on the Google search bar and you type urban plan. You go down a bit, and when you see montreal.ca right there, you have the urban planning. That's not what we want. We want the urban plan. Here's the site. So yeah, the urban plan, or we call it as well master plan, is the reference document where all of the land use, the development of the city of Montreal, all of the rules about that are written in this document. So when you go on the site, here you have the goals, the major goals, sustainable urban plan, and this is where we want to go. So we click on it. So this is the master plan, urban plan site, where the document is all listed part by part. Part one is not really what we're looking for right now, but you still can always go and check it out. There's the planning approach, planning goals, implementation of the master plan, detailed planning. But like I said, it's not what we want. We're looking for the part two, the rough document. Here you have all of the areas in Montreal, UNSE Cartierville, as we know, where UNSE College is. Anjou, Beaconsfield, Côte des Neiges. So when you look under all of the areas of Montreal, you see there's a couple of other good documents. Overview of city, wide orientation, land use designation, building density, parks and green spaces, built heritage. So you have all of these same categories under any area in Montreal. Plateau Montréal, Montreal North. This site is also very good for you if you don't feel like reading a lot of stuff on the internet and you're more picture view. So if we click on the overview of the citywide orientations, so here we have the overview of citywide orientation of UNSE Cartierville. So like I said, if you don't like to read a lot, you learn with images. That is very good for you. So here we have all of the different parts of the area of Annecy-Cartierville. So here we have the public transportation. We can clearly see it, the natural heritage. Where is it? Quality living environment, build heritage, mixed use area. So if you're looking, let's say, to make a project on building new houses, then you have to come and look here and see where you have the right to build a house in Annecy-Cartierville. If you do a project on a building, where can you put that building? You want to extend a park. How is that possible? So this is a very great site to just go look. It's very clear, and you know it's a great source because it is the urban plan of the city of Montreal. So yeah, if you are ever looking into finding some rules or regulation about any areas in Montreal because you are studying in urbanism, the urban plan, the master plan is very good for you, very useful. So I hope it helped you. Thank you.